Now what?
Whoa! We'll go the other way. Come on. Come on, come get me. No, here, wait, hold on. All right, I'll hold it. You stand up. Come on. Come on. There you go. You almost there? Get on those little tootsies. And you're up. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, careful. Don't turn it over. All right. Alright, say hi. Say hi.
I accidentally
say hi.
had it print twice.
Say hi. Yeah.
I didn't know you were recording.
There you go. Get around the wall. That's it. That's it. There you go. Around the rug. All right. All right. Around your car. Come on. Hey. Why don't you stand up on the coffee table? I mean, not on the coffee table, but... There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Ooh, look, a car. Ooh, look, a car. You want your car? There you go. Yum, cars taste good. Hi, Munchkin. Hi, Munchkin. You watching Bob? You watching Crazy Bob? How's that car, dude? Diego. Diego, look at Mama. Hi. Oh, goodness. Do you want your car? Want your car? Here you go. There you go. Do you want the other car? Oh, there you go. Yay, 2 cars. What do you have there? You have an ice cream truck and a garbage truck. Ooh. And I bet they both taste good, huh? Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, there's the other one. There we go. Can you do cheese? Cheese! There you go. Cheese! Okay, Diego, say adios. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adios. No? No? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. One more cheese? Cheese.